Yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? ReVoN here, and welcome to another 2-minute tutorial. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to put some text around a circle in Adobe Illustrator. You can put it around other objects, but for this video, we're going to choose a circle. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to start from scratch, and the first step, actually what we're going to do is make the circle. So you're going to click on the rectangle tool, which is the ellipse tool. The circle is underneath it. You're going to select it and you're going to make a circle. Hold Option or Alt plus Shift to make a perfect circle. Alright, so we're pretty much done. Make sure it's in the center, and then we're going to go to the type tool over here, and underneath it, it's the type on a path tool. And once you've selected that one, you can just click on the circle and you can type your text. So we're going to go all these squares make a circle. We're going to hit Command or Control A to select everything. We're going to go to the character property panel, and we're going to change the font to impact, but you can just choose whatever you want. And we're going to set the font size to around 60, and we are going to centralize it, put it on the paragraph over here, align center. And now the next step is we're going to put it on the top over here. We're going to go to the direct selection tool, shortcut is A, and as you can see, there are 2 points over here, which is a starting point and an end point. And we're going to put the end point over here all the way on that side, and as you can see, it snaps on the middle. And we're going to put the other one, which might be a bit tricky to select actually, to this side. And as you can see, it is centered in the middle. Alright, so we're going to go to type in the path tool, double click on it, and we're going to change the spacing to around -18. If you hit preview, you can see it creates some bit more space between the letters. You have a couple of effects which you can do, where you can put it on the center, put it above it, or underneath it and put it above it, whatever you want. I just put it on the baseline, and you're gonna hit OK, and that's it. That's pretty much it. To finish it up, we can create another ellipse in the center of it, just as in the video. Change it, hit it on 5 points, and here we go. Oh, we're gonna hit cancel. We're just gonna go over there, and there you go. This is it. If you have any questions, just put them in the comment section below. Hope you learned something, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.
Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. If not, refresh it, give it another chance. Got questions? Just ask them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video.